Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. In today's video I figured another makeup look for you guys, and this is once again a grunge makeup look because I get requested to do these so many times. So here I am again doing a grunge makeup look again. And yeah, it is this orangey makeup look with a dark red lip and some rhinestones here, as you can see, because I just like the look of rhinestones, so I just glue them on my eyes. So yeah, that is what this video is about. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter if you don't follow me yet. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And make sure you hit that bell button to get a notification every time I upload, because I feel like nobody sees when I upload. Like I'm pretty sure that my videos don't show up in description boxes anymore, which sucks. So you know, if you could just click that bell button, that would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started on the makeup tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. The entire look I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm first off taking the color Burnt Orange and I'm going to put this all in the crease. And this palette is very pigmented, so you kind of need to tap off the eyeshadow a little bit, because otherwise it's just going to turn into a mess. So I'm taking this eyeshadow up very high, just to really get that grungy look going on. And I'm going to take the same color and apply it underneath the eyes as well. So now I'm taking a smaller brush in the color Realgar. I'm going to use this to darken up the crease. And again, taking this eyeshadow underneath the eye as well. Then to blend this together a little bit, I'm just taking that fluffy brush that I used earlier and I'm just going to slightly blend these two colors together. And then for the lid color, I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to get the color Cyprus Umber, and I'm literally just going to put this all over the lid. And I'm just dipping my brush a little bit in the Realgar color and blending it even more, kind of intensifying the orange. Then I'm taking that Cyprus Umber's color underneath the eye as well. Then I'm taking the NYX inner eyeliner in Burnt Sienna and I'm just going to line my waterline. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And for mascara I'm using the new NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And then for the lashes, I'm using the Wicked lashes from NYX as well. And to fill the gap between my fake lashes and my inner corner, I'm just taking the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Just going to fill it in real quick. And then for the final touch, I'm just taking a few rhinestones and I'm just going to glue them on my eyes, because I feel like it. Okay, so the eye makeup is done. As you can see, bling, bling, bling. Really dark and really intense, and I love it. So yeah, now the eye look is done, we can continue on the lips. And for lips, I was actually planning on using Kat Von D's Crucifix lipstick, but I can't find it anywhere. So I'm going to use a different lipstick, and this is the Souffle lipstick by LA Splash. And it's a velvet matte lipstick, and I honestly I just got this in the mail like 15 minutes ago. So I'm just going to try it out. I've never used lipstick before, so I am excited to see how it works. Ooh, already off the bat it looks pretty thick. Okay, I'm just going to put it on my lips and then we'll see. This is not a great consistency. Oh my god. It's a beautiful color, but like it's so thick. I do not like this. Oh my god, this is terrible. It feels so thick and gross, and my lips feel so dry right now, and it is really hard to apply it. Oh my fucking god. You know what? I'm just going to take this lipstick off because this is terrible. This is so bad. What the hell? Okay, so now this horrible stuff is off my lips. I'm just going to take another lipstick, and I'm taking the Kat Von D Damped lipstick, which is a really dark red. So yeah guys, this is the finished makeup look. I like the color of the first lipstick a lot better with this look, but honestly that lipstick was so incredibly bad. I still have like a trauma from that liquid lipstick. So Kat Von D is a lot better. But yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!